Want to download a copy of your Facebook photos and other profile information? I'm Jessica from techboomers.com, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to download your Facebook profile data. Now let's get started. To download your Facebook data for safekeeping, log into Facebook and click the downwards arrow in the top right corner. Then select Settings. On the left, click Your Facebook Information. Beside Download Your Information, click View. Now you can select which information you want to download. You can leave everything checked off and download all of it, or select only the data you need. You can also select a specific date range, or download data from the entire time you've been on Facebook. When you've checked all the data you're interested in downloading and selected a date range, click Create File. Facebook will then begin creating a copy of your information. When it's ready to download, you'll receive a notification from Facebook. Click the notification to go to the download page. Then click the download button. Once the download is complete, click on the download at the bottom of your browser window to open the zipped folder. Here you'll find several subfolders containing the various categories of data from your profile. If you open these folders, you'll be able to see your profile information, photos and videos, messages, and more. That's all it takes to download your Facebook profile data. If you haven't yet, be sure to like the Tech Boomers Facebook page. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday.